Welcome to this tutorial on how to open MetaMask wallet on your laptop. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. To get started, you will need to have a laptop with a compatible operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and a web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Brave. First, you need to download and install the MetaMask browser extension. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the MetaMask website. Click on the Add to Browser button. Then select the browser you are using. Follow the prompts to install the extension. Once the installation is complete, you will see the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar. Click on this icon to open the MetaMask wallet. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to MetaMask, select Create a Wallet. You will then be asked to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you will remember. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect your funds. After creating your password, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to store this seed phrase in a safe place, such as a secure note-taking app or a physical safe. After setting up your wallet, you will see the MetaMask dashboard, which displays your account balance, transaction history, and other settings. From here, you can send and receive cryptocurrencies, connect to decentralized applications, and manage your wallet settings. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your password and seed phrase safe, and never share them with anyone. Also, be cautious when interacting with decentralized applications, and only connect to trusted sites. In conclusion, opening a MetaMask wallet on your laptop is a straightforward process that requires downloading and installing the browser extension, creating a new wallet, and setting up a password and seed phrase. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely and securely use your MetaMask wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrencies.